Hi folks, I'm Lonnie Johnson. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to assemble the portable tire changer from Harbor Freight. Here's everything that comes in the box. I have the instructions in my hand. We'll see how well they are illustrated. I'm using an 11/16 socket and ratchet and an 11/16 wrench. I'm going to take the center post, which is number 1. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab number 9, which is the 2 side bases, and number 13, which is the post base. Go ahead and set them in the floor just like this. Go ahead and line the center post to the base at the bottom, like I have here, making sure that this is in the front. Here's the hardware that you need that should be in the box. Go around the base and put the bolts in just like this, all the way around it. Now that I got all the bolts in, I'm going to lean it over and put all the lock washers and nuts on the bottom. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the other 2 sides on. Now when you lay it over on the side, all these parts will fall off. Go ahead and put them on one at a time. Now I'm going to go ahead and tighten these down. Now everything's tight, we'll go to the next step. Next, take number 7, the bead breaker handle. And you can see it's got some holes in it. Go to the last hole right here, and you want to put it in right there, but you want to put it in the top hole depending on the tire that you're trying to break loose. We'll secure it with these. Now we'll go ahead and secure this on there also with these. And as you can see, that's all it takes to assemble this part right here. It's just these 2 pins and just set it in there. Okay, now be aware, mine is missing the top part. I got to go back to Harbor Freight and get the top part because the screws down in here, it holds the tire on. Without that piece there, I can't take a tire off. There's nothing to secure the tire on. The reason I purchased this is because I have to change the sensors in my wheels. I bought the sensors. They wanted to charge me $25 to $30 per wheel just to put a new sensor in. And I thought, nah, I'll do it myself, save myself $100. This only cost me like $35, so I'm saving like $65 by doing it myself. Put a little work into it. And this works pretty good just to break the bead. And I don't have to take the wheel off, I just need to break the bead. First I'm going to take this valve stem out so I can bleed the air out. Breaking the bead's not too hard. Just spray some solution around it. This here is Dawn. I got Dawn in this little jug here, pretty heavy with water, and this thing works pretty good. I'm going to start right there. And it's already broken the bead all the way around it. That wasn't too hard on that one. Some of them are a little harder. I have these 2 wooden 2x4s. Push it down on each side. Wedge it. Now I'll go ahead and go in there and take this off, and I'll put a sensor in there in its place. Got the back of the valve stem cut. I'm going to try and pull it out. There it is. This is my new sensor. These wheels are off of a 2005 Chevy Tahoe. I got these off Amazon. This is what it looks like. What I'm going to do right now is clean this off where the valve stem was. Okay, I got it cleaned off pretty good. I'm going to spray it with Dawn on both sides. Got my little tool here. This works out great. Stick it in there just like this. Try to not drop it. If you drop it, then you got a whole nother problem. Let me see if I can wedge this down a little bit further. There we go. Now we got more room. And there it is. Whatever you do, don't drop it down in the tire. Get that on there real good. Make sure it's angled in there right. Pull it up. There it is. You'll hear it snap once it's in there. Make sure in here it looks good. Okay, now I'm ready to take these out, put some air in it. Oh, air's already going in. There we go. I'll go ahead and put 40 pounds in these and I'll put it back on the truck and I'll reset my sensors. Okay, I went ahead and sprayed Dawn around the rim again just to make sure I didn't have any leaks. I hope this helps if you need to change your sensors in your wheels. I know the battery don't last forever in these sensors. So as always, like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.